For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns, Kodang Abi Junior. Is it 4 or 5?
5.
Yo, Mpama Yonge Fit. Now, it's almost guaranteed that they are through to the group stages of the CAF Champions League because there's no way those guys are going to Loftus and scoring 6.
What's your 10? 10, 15.
There's no way they are coming back. So Sundowns beating Remo Stars as Nigeria. This team, they are placed 13th, Pagui Nigerian Premier League. They were up against Sundowns, who are number 1 compared to a Premiership. So you could see, man, the difference in quality. You could see, Sundowns came into this game to win it. Not to go there, but okay, we are playing away. No, they were there to win it. They scored 5, considered just 1 goal. Junior, when you bola la umdlalo mfethu.
Yeah, Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm good.
Ngibulise wena TJK. Kululeko my brother. Ngibulise uNtsofi la ka Benedict Tso. Ngibulise Bobzin, Lindo Pep. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Mikel Cardoso, sometimes you need to relax like today. Namhlanje mfethu I was very surprised by Mikel Cardoso and his team. Sundowns meaning yazi. Class is permanent. Players you can't question it. Sundowns.
Are you saying Ubone Sundowns lo yazi?
Yes. They can't. I think the coach needs Melanga. You need to. Uyenzile ku Club World Cup whereby dominate most of the game. Senkhuluma play. Open play, dominating my games almost wonke. Yes, he lost because of those players. Those are high-profile players, proper developed, but when you level, they pay big monies. But performance-wise, there's no way you can question the Sundowns in the NCAA Club World Cup. Today, after a while, Sundowns, the coach was relaxed on the bench. They've never even camera zang in face. It's like it was like a training for me. Professional performance from Sundowns. Yeah. Everybody come to the party. I think it depth yabo iphinde benza ukuthi basebenze. Ngikhuluma whoever starting the game is showing up. And well done to Sundowns. Ngikhuluma everybody. Umdawu man of the match Cupido, man of the match for me. Ngizoba bazoyilwela boyithu. Also Reyners, this guy Matthews ngizomnika na today did very well.
Oh, that's, yeah.
Yes, mfethi Sundowns mangithi they were professional. Everything that they were doing Sundowns for me, it's any about quality. Sundowns, they build up badlaling on my department, they move it all very quick. They played very positive. Well done to Allende. Udlaling a 2 midfield slowly. I think formation is away. But Sundowns, meaning as you level Rulani Pizzo, they hardly approach game defensive. You understand that approach. But to Mikel Cardoso, we know. Umuntu cautious ukhetha ama game today udlale nga 2 defensive midfielders which is uMarcelo Allende bekumela run forward but bebamlimitile beyanga entry boxing kakhulu bekumkwena Allende banike this guy Resinho ifreedom le dlala ngo left.
Sorry to would you say it was 2 defensive midfielders or 1? Maybe in my opinion I think it was only Debza. Marcelo was playing more as
No, ibekadlala ngabo boyithu. Bebahleli. Yes, Marcelo beyangayi too much. Kancane, yes, he goes forward a bit, but most they were playing square kanje. Bebadlala bekudebza na these guys. Ngoba umcheke ucoach Sundowns, that's how he plays. Ukhetha ama games. It doesn't kunama game where uba approach are very defensive. Kunama game umbona aba very open, attacking minded. So today unike this guy freedom. Bamdlalisa zo number 10 yabo in front of Allende nomkwena Resinho, but the guy naye man sometimes I'm not too sure. Bring this guy here. I know he scores. The goal now bonga khashaza na ushinda. Walking identity. Compliment to the guy. Khona ku score sheet igama lakhe likhona. But the bola le umdawu somnika phela lapho umdawu uyangazkorela. But well done umdawu ungabi selfish to play. Lo mchita lo ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uletha iphi dimension ku Sundowns because they've got those type of players even more. Because Mkhulis can play that role. Little can play that role. Little as well. They've got Nuno as well. Uyakwazi ukudlala lapha. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi why they brought him. So if you brought that guy, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi banika i-coaching, ngifuna ukwazi nje ne-technical team yabo ukuthi why. Otherwise, coming to the game, Sundowns did very well. Oprendiba, compliment him, did very well, decision making, Opri Polelas. Very special player le labantu mhlambe ababona ukubaleka Opri yalazi ibhola. Opri, you just need to tell him hayi ukuthi akayazi is proper developed ubuye esigela ubuye school uBopre I mean ibhola uyalazi he's proved himself at Mamelodi Sundowns we understand if you can tell him as a coach to say your priority is to defend when you run if you attack just look mhlambe I-distance mhlambe urunner from here to there Opri will understand what you say mara mawuzothi every time I want you to go when we start the build up here from the goal kick melube on the opposite side eyafinabo and then we're going to have a problem angeke khona ucover distance Opri and you must also have coach kumele ukwazi ukukhuluma nama midfielder because udlala nga two defensive midfielders today uyenzile I mean umkwena was covering very well mangabe uPrambile and also this guy Tumda mangabe uhambile this guy Alende Marcelo well done to the coach I think a wonderful performance from the team they dominated the game management they score goals professional when they go forward they hardly lose the ball ama-decision bawenze in front of a box in phakathi imagine very composed from Sundowns akunabhola engathi balikore kanzima and well done to Nuno for individual brilliance as well ngimsingile out futhi this guy Matthews Sundowns did very well njengoba ngisho the team couldn't azange bakwazi cope ne Sundowns very poor team I need to be honest
benisekuloo ndawo Junior was Sundowns really tested in this game?
No, they were not tested. But in your my affiliation, in your affiliation, just kill it. You can say whatever they want. These guys, they can come here. For instance, JT and so. If Sundowns didn't beat this team, the team is in upper, and then they got one goal this team, and then it's a problem. So all I'm saying to you, well done to Sundowns. If you know Sundowns, they show with their high-profile team. They scored score five away. Sundowns performed very well today. Sundowns meaning issue. They are themselves to blame if they get beaten. If badly were many of blame. Today, Bama people are very quick. But the department, well done to midfield, not delaying. I'm a passes wabo most they play forward. Two times okay is doing it dead. We ends a week in and week out, but Alende well done is Alende people just now big Melebam Chele. You need to play these forward passes. And well done to him. Also Nuno. I mentioned very skillful player. It doesn't delay the ball. He ran behind defense because we off the ball. And when you Sundowns in dimension, well done. Also, Namasapo Akaba Fagile. Well done to Salas coming and score. Finish. Yeah, that's why I need a professional team. Namasapo from the bench. I think if I become a coach, I will get the ball with Mangena. This is what I'm going to do. But it depth Sundowns. If you're not going to do it, I'm happy from Vanessa Slam in Fanutsiki. I spoke to his sister last week.
You light up, Junior.
Amaraita zangale. Asekeleni ezinye izinto zangaphandle. Hayi, uyingwe nyashini.
Akudlala David.
No. Davidson.
Yeah.
Shena ngiba angithi ungibhayile ubuso.
Yeah.
Ngakountela 3 manje you can be sure. Khona into engatholakala ekhantrini kulela kasi angisho ukuthi amanye amakasi ngiyawadelela I respect Val I respect Soweto I respect mara ezangalezi heavy sheni angithi Brazil uyazi you can go Spain you can go Belgium there's Brazil
in David
Neymar Nazare de Lima Ronaldinho
there's also Junior Kanye we must not forget at David there's also Junior Kanye Junior let's wrap it up masiva
ngazofuna ngifuna abara khona ingwenya honest ngaphandle ukuthi there's talent there Shane I can be honest. Well done to Itingibe, I'm happy to this point, Chabeling.
Yeah.
He came to the team, and I'm a player, seasoned players. They had to play with youngsters sometimes. Quality seasoned players, not just ordinary players. Team about the experienced players. They know how to win leagues, trophies as well. Champions League, they did one. I know Mangabis City, but they did one. Unchabeling, we are from Intwane, we could Stars of Africa. I played for Chiefs. Kulis of Farouk, very talented. I mean, I know him. So I'm happy for the boy because ungene kwezinye icathulo mfethu ukhava ungene icathulo enzabo umshishi lo mfana ungene icathulo enzabo Ribeiro akusile player leli eliphethe lento lika Ribeiro but uphethe talent abo umshishi wise Mariana njengoba ngisho is a typical player I love him because umfana okorayo he loves to score honestly and I'm happy for him ngoba true ukukora kwakhe kuzomsebenzela going forward if ukuthi imshiti ngihlale ngisho we can't remember the performance but when you score it's a history. You're making a history. So well done to the boy. Ngoba now Theo wangena two sub coach Usales na mfana and then bafike lapha ba 80 spark and well done to Sundowns. This team I need to be honest I'm not too sure a very poor team tactically I know
we've already gotten his signal
from poor correct. Mary Sundowns wonderful Sundowns.
Thank you so much, Junior, for your analysis. Namhlanje Nigeria, where Sundowns were playing against Remo Stars. Sundowns, they demolished Baba Khelile. Benze yonke into ebekusuppose yenziwe kwi-Remo Stars Nigeria. Remember last week, Bafana Bafana, there were favors that were done for us by Nigeria. Namhlanje, we were supposed to thank Nigeria by giving them mhlawumbi a 1-0 win. Sit okay, Remo Stars just win, but Sundown said kwagogo. You will see Londo mhlawumbi in the next coming years, but not namhlanje. Here at home in Nigeria, Sanhlaba 5 kwibalaleni. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.